So here in this driveway I used the quick right cold patch, uh, putting that, and even if when I tampered it, these stones were still coming out. So in order to avoid this problem of all these stones sticking out, I applied the patch material. This is what we use to fill the cracks. So this is about like $11-12 a bucket 10-pound patch that I applied on top of the quick right cold patch. So this bag cost, forgot what it cost, but it was a 50-pound bag. I applied 4 of them to fill the 3-inch gap that I had between the this piece, the original piece, and the edge. It was a decline of 3-inch. So in order to fill, so this is about 2 finger length. So 50-pound bag plus the 2 quick right hole fillers. So but this one I watered down a little bit, what you get in the 10-pound bucket, so that I can apply. So I just applied it and leveled. Now this patch is keeping the underneath cook right cold patch in place. So I hope that with the time everything will harden, and this will be in place. Otherwise, if I would not have applied this particular patch, all these stones would have just like gone away. There are other videos demonstrating how this cold patch eventually falls off and all these stones gets removed from their position. So yep.